here again. Whoops, GIMP. Alright guys, so today we are storyboarding, not really storyboarding, but kind of like deciding puzzle orientation, level design, that kind of stuff. And we are kind of lucky in that, hang on, let me just turn this on and see if it connects. I'm using my Wattpad today, or trying, going to try to learn this thing. I've worked on it before, and I've just kind of struggled with it in the past. But like, I want to know it like really well. So I'm gonna work on it now to kind of figure out the workflow for it. That's the important thing, is the workflow. It's a Bluetooth device, so it should show up. I think I have the application. Wacom. Yeah, I have the Wacom stuff. Okay, so I've connected to it. Is it gonna tell me how much battery it has? So this is it. Oh my gosh, I'm missing all of that. Can I go back? Okay. I'm connected to it. Choose mapping on your tablet. Pin settings. Okay, I mean, this is all this stuff. So, undo, redo, modifier, and Windows key. Select the function to perform when pressing this button. It's at 86% battery. I have my charger here, so I just leave it on the charger, I guess. There you go. No Wacom device connected to your computer. Okay. Alright, man. I'll give this a shot. Let me just get my stream up and running. I've got my orange juice and a pack of peanuts. Mixed nuts. Let's connect on my phone so I have my chat. Excuse me, sorry. Alright, here we go. Alrighty, let's do this thing. So let's do file new, 1920 by 1080. Let's start with a white background instead. Let's go normal. Bucket fill, okay. And then we'll just get a pencil. Let's just draw some normal stuff, I guess. This should work, right? I guess it... Alright, so this is the pen. It just feels very, like, awkward. What do these buttons do? Okay, so this button... Okay. I thought these buttons... Okay. So let's choose a brush that I'm happier with. Oh, damn. Okay. How do I zoom out? I need to zoom out a little bit. And then I need to bring this size down. And then let's do the angle a little bit better. feel like I just need to practice strokes. Whoa, 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 what the hell was that? Interesting. So am I not allowed to touch the Wattpad while I'm working? Alright. Interesting. What's going on? Why is it doing that? What is that about? Why won't it write? See? I can't even write my name, dude. It refuses to do horizontal. So dumb. This is nice. Being able to do it like that. What? What the hell, man? Definitely pressing the buttons, it triggers the... See this? Why? Why? Is it a pressure thing? I'm pressing really hard, man. I don't get it. Almost, man. Okay, so I would rather undo redo be on my pin. Undo, redo, undo, redo. Like that. Then go to the tablet. I need this. I want this one to be right click. And I want this to be... maybe pan scroll. Let's make this one right click. Right click. Pan scroll. And then I'll do this one is up and down. Scroll up. How about this? Zoom in. Zoom out. Okay. Okay, I like that. Follow me down. I want to zoom in. You know what would be nice is if this behaved as a touchscreen too, so that it had like the gestures, the touchscreen gestures. That would be cool. Let me learn how to work the zoom in feature though, because I want to be able to zoom in on the screen pretty easily. I'm pressing the button to zoom in, but it's not really working. It's still like, that's working a lot better. And then my undo is this. It has to be on the screen though. Like I can't just press it back here. I have to press it like right up here. Interesting. Okay. Let's go back here. What is this? Ow, ow. On-screen shortcuts. Where is that? So this doesn't seem to be working though. I thought this would. Wait, what does that say? Oh no. Navigation. On-screen shortcuts. That's helpful. Actually, fuck it. Change display settings, change settings, display toggle settings. Already got that. On-screen shortcuts, keypad. Ooh, interesting. Pin display modifiers. Photoshop colorist. That's a nice. Brush panel. Stop forward, toggle last state, tab. Change settings. Brush panel. Interesting. Radio menu. On-screen shortcuts. Pin gestures are recommended to continuously repeat actions and like zoom and scroll. That's what I want. Oh, that's what it's talking about. Okay. So is that one of the... Oh, I see. Sorry. Okay, pin. So I can put gestures. pan zoom. Let's try this. Sorry. Okay, so actually, I'm gonna use my mouse real fast. I'm gonna undo this one. So it feels like what it's trying to get at is that this pan gestures helps on pin and touch displays. Grid panels are optimization. Radio menus are optimized for use with your pin. Required minimal movement. This is helpful. I want this. This is, oh man, that's more what I want. I want the gestures and stuff. I don't understand what this... I see. So, I can see kind of what these are for. Really, what I want to get working is the pin gestures. Pan and scroll. Whoops. Okay, so let's do this first. I'm gonna make this undo, redo. This stays right click. This will become an on-screen shortcut for the express menu. Whatever, I don't really care. Just close that. I want a softer touch. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now this, I want the gestures. Okay, hang on. Erase precision mode display toggle. I want zoom pan zoom here. And I want this to be erase. So maybe it's like, maybe I'd like to have erase on hand, but I have undo redo, so like I don't really need erase. I'll switch over to it as a brush. So let's make this pan scroll. And then make this zoom. That's working. But it is a little messed up. Well, it's not exactly what I want. On screen, change settings. Come on. Why can't I bring this stuff up? Okay. I legit can't bring it up. It's like behind the window. Okay, it's actually legit not working now. Okay, pan zoom, that's why. I just need pan, scroll, and that's pan zoom. It looks like just pan zoom or panning doesn't work. Okay, how about this? Let's make this really small. It's only doing... Okay. See, this isn't... Why isn't that capturing? I don't want to have to fucking put dots. See that? That's annoying. Okay. This feels pretty smooth. It is annoying that there's like a lag between the first stroke and when it like catches up. See that? It's like I have to go a certain distance away before it like catches up. Nope, undo. Yeah, okay, that worked pretty well. See, that's annoying. I want to go... Look, I want to go up. Why is it, like, not catching up? Oh, man. Looks pretty good, actually. And then up here, I grab this, and then I should be able to fill this stuff in. Oh, yeah, dude. Okay, I get it, I get it. I'm getting it. Look, but this right here, see this? I am trying to draw here. Let's see. It's Shin-chan. I don't like that. Oh my gosh! My first digital art! And it's this fucking asshole. Maybe it's like this? I don't remember. Okay, so then let's try to use the pan. Not working. I want to go to the right, damn it! No! Let me go to the right! Okay. Man, that is like so... Oh, okay. I know how to fix this. Pan scroll zoom. Can I do pan scroll legacy? And I make it slow. Okay. No. Hang on. Oh, I got the Doom music too? Damn it. They're too long. See that right there? What the hell is that about? Why can't... Okay, so... Is that a dynamics thing or what? Come on. Come on. Like, I can, like, dot it in, but that's, like, so ugly. Like, what the hell? Okay, hang on. There's got to be something in the pin settings that I'm missing. To change the click pressure, pressure sensitivity, drag, lighter touch. There's gotta be something here. Hover click, click and tap, press the pin button and tap the pin, tip to the tablet to the right click. Pressure adjust the pin pressure for compatibility with older applications. Let's do that. Okay. Click to paint. Try shift for straight line. Control to pick a color. Okay, is it the spacing? Okay, hold on. Wacom tablet won't let me draw in small radius. I spelled radius wrong. I can't. Oh my gosh. Okay. I can't draw small details because this keeps happening. Yeah, perfect. I'm curious, but it doesn't look like the tablet issue. It's more like a software issue. Did you try another drawing soft? Like Critter, for example? I guess you did, but just in case, you can use the mantra comments down here and uninstall your drivers, reboot your computer. Just reminds me a lot of Wacom, of how my Wacom and Wacom from my school art would act in past. Either drivers not installed. Okay, let's see. He's using GIMP. Yeah. Okay, so Wacom and GIMP. Okay, actually, look at this. This is exactly what's happening. So check out his video. He's drawing in that small radius, kind of like I am. And then as soon as he moves at a certain distance, it goes. Okay, so I tried disabling press and hold the right click. It doesn't work. I'm using GIMP and Windows 10. I'm using Wacom in Windows 7. Go into your Wacom preferences, pin, mapping, uncheck, use Windows Ink. Looks like the classic Windows Ink can the problem be. So Wacom preferences, pin, tab, mapping, uncheck, mapping. Okay. Let's go to pin settings. Mapping. Use Windows Ink. Let's try that. Oopsie. Oh my gosh, bro. Let's go ahead and... Okay, let's try this. Let's try that. Nope, still doing it. It's cool for making those, though. Okay. Alrighty. If that's the case, let me just undo this. This is like the specific spot that I want to fix it. See, there's a small spot on his foot where I want to connect his sock to his shoe. Kind of annoying that is doing that. Alright, so configure Wacom for GIMP. What is it? It's asking me to install something? Okay, hang on. So in my pin, let's see. Never done this before. It's almost like directing as if you hit a modifier button in a straight line. Not related to the tablet, but the cursor follows the trajectory you want. The problem Not to semi-revive a dead post, but this helped me today, so it might continue to help someone. Can you confirm that disabling Windows Ink fixed the problem for me? Thanks. This issue reoccurred after a few months and made sure to disable Windows Ink and check drivers were updated. What worked was hitting reset on the backup settings in Wacom Desktop Center. And after a couple new files had appeared in my trash, I simply reset the whole computer. Why did it work? Beats me. Okay, so it might just be that I have to reset. Okay. I read a little bit of that. Let's GIMP and Wacom tablet. Are Wacom tablets compatible with GIMP? They are. Maybe there's something up here. Preferences. Let's see if they have input controllers. But as you can see, like, my mouse works fine. It starts drawing straight right away. Ah. Input devices. Configure extended input devices. Pointer input. Okay, let's save this because I like my Shin-Chan. Save it to desktop. Just call it Shin. Obviously, like, I'm gonna have to do some weirdness. Let's get back open. Let's see if that worked. Oh, that worked. Oh, man. Oh, brother. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can draw the rest of this. So now this should be working. Oh, let's fix the spacing back to 10 because I liked that spacing. Man, I drew this a lot better than I would have with my mouse, but the thing is like I feel like I have more control over my mouse. This is just... Why am I erasing? Brother, what? Damn it. Whoa, why? Go to black. What was I touching that did that? Ooh, that's a little... Okay, I'm gonna keep it like that. Alright, let's see. His little fat legs. I pressed the fucking pan button. Pan back, damn it. Good lord. It's like the pan doesn't want to work when I want it to work. I'll just do it like that. Fuck it. Okay. Alrighty. Let's color them in. Let's go red. Gradient. Boom. And then let's go yellow. Boom. Let's get his skin tone. I don't remember what his skin tone is. Something like that, I think. Let's just fill in this. Whoa, what's going on? Why does the thing look like that? So the crappy thing is I know that, like, I want to keep... okay, hang on. Damn it. See this spot right here? This spot's messed up. Whoops. Come on. Why? See, it does the entire thing. I forgot what color his shoes are. Shin-chan. Oh, he has socks. Yellow, orange shoes, white socks. I forgot about that. He's also a little bit redder than he is yellow. So let's go ahead and fix that. So undo all this stuff. Go back in here, make him a little bit redder. There we go. That's good. That's the Shin-chan I know. There we go, baby. That's looking great. Okay, back to this. Go to black. Let's get his socks drawn in. Man, see, this is where I really want Pan to work properly. There, that felt a little bit better. But even still, man. Okay. Color picker. Choose this one. Go back to my full fill tool. Do that. This is not good. This is the perfect music for this. Ooh, come on. Beautiful. Okay, that's his foot. Holy smoly. Good lord, man. See, the pan just, like, doesn't work how I think it should work. I mean, honestly, like, doing it like this is totally fine. That's how I want it to feel. You know what I mean? Like, if it felt like this smooth, that would be awesome. Except the pan feels like crap. Hang on. There's gotta be a way to fix that. Also, this fucking is stuck. Alright, let's bring this back up. Navigation. Pan and scroll. Scroll up, scroll down, scroll. Snap window left. Windows key. I just don't like that it's only up and down. I'm gonna try all of them. See, this is working okay. It's just I don't like the snapping I want it to be smoother. So this doesn't really seem to be helping. I don't like that either. You know what? Screw this. Put this over here. I'm going to test all of these settings. Wow. That legit just gets rid of the canvas. I can't see jack. Scroll up. Pan and zoom. Tumble. What is tumble? What the hell did tumble do? Didn't do jack. Okay, whatever. Doesn't do anything. The fast and slow does nothing. I like this. That feels good. Okay, pan and zoom is what I want to use for pan. Or zoom. So pan and zoom is definitely the one I want to use for that. So I'm going to switch this to pan and zoom. Make it slow. I don't really feel a difference between the two. Okay, I don't really feel a difference between the two. I'll have to get used to using it. And then this I'll do, I'll use pan, scroll, and pan zoom. I wish pan worked like this. Like this right here. This feels super good. This is great. But you can tell that it just grabs the scroll. Is there an option for just pan? Yeah, I don't see anything that's pan, which just sucks. Okay. What is it that I have to press? I have to press control? No, I have to hold middle mouse button. Maybe, actually. Keyboard clicks. Middle mouse click. Maybe if I just hold this. Oh, ooh, there we go, baby. That's what I wanted. Ooh. Figured it out. And then this is a control keyboard. Keyboard. Let's do control. Okay, let's see if that works. This is my pan. I see. Okay, I'm getting closer. So I think for now I'll leave this as zoom in and zoom out. My pan zoom. And then here, like I think I've got it where I can pretty easily pan around the way I want. That feels so good. Oh man, that's exactly what I wanted. Let's just go ahead and connect these. Whoa, Jesus. Beat us out. Okay. I can see that the pan zoom actually doesn't work exactly how I want. So I'm just gonna make it zoom. Because I've got the pan control that I want. Now I can do stuff like this. Okay, and then oh, Shin-chan, Shin-chan, Blaze, Shin-chan. Hell yeah, dude. I love it. Okay, so I figured it out how this stuff works. Now all I've got to do is, you know, work on the game's art. I have a feeling that I will still be using, I don't know, you know. What the hell? I'll set you free, allow me, be free. Follow me. Okay, great. New 1920 by 1080. Alright. Let's get this white, black. Follow me. I love this song. Well, damn. Right, so I can zoom out a little bit, right? Zoom out a little bit. Okay. Okay, so now that I've learned how to use this, honestly, I feel like using my... I genuinely feel like just using my mouse and keyboard for the rest of this. How long did I spend on that? God! 49 minutes just figuring out the Wattpad? Wacom tablet? Alright, whatever. Alright, let's get to some real work. The idea is that we're going to be storyboarding and kind of drawing up what we want each of our puzzles to look like. So, I know that the first puzzle is going to be just a, it is literally just going to be like a ledge that you climb up, that you can climb up. This is to like teach to jump. Actually, fuck it. No, this actually is a good use for this. Because I'm just like drawing the like... I'll just work with all of my tools. Mouse, keyboard, Wacom pad when I need it. Okay, so this is gonna be what do you call this layer? Sorry, hang on. I moved a little bit. You'll call this layer the idea layer? I don't know. 1 second. Call this the sketch. Okay. Okay, so sketch. So we start over here. I don't like that thickness. Let's bring this up by a lot. This is literally just a rough sketch of what we're going to be doing. Let's add no dynamics needed, just a sketch. So the first thing that you come to in the game, dude, what the hell? It like literally changed the size manually? Okay, maybe I need to bring this up myself. There it goes. Down a little bit. Okay. Good lord, bro. Okay, here we go. Zoom in a little bit. Okay, here we are. So the first level is literally just going to be a ledge that you climb up. And it's going to be the press A to mantle. This is like... So let's rename this to... first obstacle. Second obstacle. Yeah. Turn this off. Second obstacle is literally jumping. So it's gonna be... Sorry, I didn't pick this. It's gonna be just a gap. We can either introduce like water or spikes or something. This is death, right? Okay, so that's death. A to jump gaps. Okay. Next, third obstacle. Third obstacle, I think what I'm going to introduce is the climbing mechanic. It's either the climbing mechanic or the pushing and pulling. I think pushing will be good. Okay, so this is one of those situations where it's like, okay, oopsie. So we're gonna have a tall ledge, okay, and then we're gonna have a box or like a log or something that you can push. Okay, press X to push. Okay. All right. Fourth obstacle. It's gonna be a similar setup. So like you're gonna jump down from a high ledge, and there will be another high ledge, and it's gonna be a box here. Undo that. It's gonna be like this. Okay. Drag. Okay, so that's drag and push. So this thing, this forces you to push. This forces you to drag. Okay. Fifth obstacle. Cool. Okay, fifth obstacle. It's gonna be... Alright, so player enters the arena. There's another high ledge. You're gonna have to climb a ladder to get up to something that's up here that you can drop down. Okay. Some sort of climb. Climb. Push this thing down. Okay, there will also be fall damage here. I need that. Okay. Now I need to start introducing the picking up stuff. Like, why are you picking things up? So we're gonna introduce a seesaw. So 6th obstacle. Okay. So in this one, it does really just seem as though like I need to come up with a way, because as it currently stands, all the player is doing is climbing up ledges. That's okay. I don't mind that, but the variety would be nice. Mm-hmm. A lot of these games always have like Rupert machines where like you drop certain things and like something happens. I might need to introduce like fire or something. Another thing that I'm going to need to consider is that in situations like this, like I can't have this kind of obstacle be able to, or this kind of interactable be able to go back towards like this gap, right? If I push the obstacle into the gap, the player can't continue. So that's the thing. I have two types of interactables. It's these drag and drops things, but it's also these like things that you can pick up and carry around. Okay. Okay, let's do this. So in this level, we're gonna have to get up on a ledge again, but there'll be a seesaw. Okay, so there'll be a seesaw of some sort. Okay. I want to also put a big gap here, but I want to have a large box of some kind that'll fit into this. So if you push the box in, it'll like it'll fill the gap. And then interesting. I think that Let's see, man. I don't know. Because, like, it would be... Because, like, what I want to do is have, like, a couple of items back here that, like, you have to pick up and take over to the seesaw. But there's this gap, right? So this thing, I think, needs to be moved somewhere else. Or we need to make it so that you can find a large plank that you can, like, push down. That might work. Whoa. Oh, I see what I did. Okay. So how about this? So there'll be a gap. Up. And then there will be... some sort of seesaw? Well, that's the other thing. It's like, how do you get... I don't think I made it so that you can mantle with objects in your hand. Okay, how about this? Will this work? So the seesaw is down in here. So then you drop the items right here so that you can get over. But with this, you need to, like, you'll have, like, there'll be like a transitional area where you can grab a bunch of boxes and stuff. Not boxes, but, like, you know what I mean. And then there'll be, like, a vine to where you can, like, push. Yeah, some sort of, like, bridge would be cool. And then you can carry over the items. I don't know if I'll, like, make a climbable ladder or something like that. I think it would be interesting to do that. But, okay, so we need to... Ouch. I will start making some sort of, like, key lock system. That makes more sense in the, like, modern areas where you, like, actually will have a key. But in this type of environment, what's the point of having the keys, I guess? Or, like, or what would serve as a key in an environment like this? Seventh obstacle. Okay. Okay, something like this. Seesaw. Let's just call it seesaw. Pickups. Weights. Okay. Okay, I want... Oh, hang on. Sorry. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so... The seventh obstacle, select none. Seventh obstacle, I think, should be some sort of, like, rolling ball. Interestingly enough, like, what I think should happen is this is very similar to Limbo, where it's like as you explored the forest, you kind of came more and more into contact with, like, a little tribe of people, a little tribe of children. And that's, like, what started adding some of the, like, more intricate mechanics. But what I'll do is I think I'll do, like, a logging, like some sort of, like, I don't know. We could do something like that. We could do something along the lines of like an extendable ladder. Yeah, it looks like maybe I'm not putting enough obstacles and everything, or like hazards. That has a hazard. This doesn't have a hazard. This doesn't have a hazard. Okay. Oh man. The whole entire like this right here. Let's go ahead and erase all of this. Select all. Delete it. The like this whole entire like setup where like a ball rolls down at you is cool. You gotta jump back up here. And then jump back across. Those are fun to mix in. I think these like should go into different spots though. So like this one maybe comes before this. So like set this here instead. So the way it comes, first obstacle to mantle, second obstacle is to jump over gas, third obstacle is to push a box. Maybe actually I should do it like this. So it's like introduces like no danger, mantle, and pushing, and then jump gas, and then drag, and then climb, like learn climbing. It would be cool. And introduce a danger, and then the seesaw puzzle, and then another danger. The seesaw puzzle introduces like picking up things. And then like you know what would be cool is a transition to like a snowy area, like have the abandoned city be like in snow. Okay, let's get on it. So this is the press A to mantle. Let's go ahead and save this as desktop. Actually, it is desktop. Unity projects, Project Mist drawings. This is going to be fuck. Oh my gosh. Forest. Levels, sketches, and then it's gonna be, I'm gonna save as again, forest levels, production, forest levels, it's not, these aren't sketches anymore, these are more like the, forest levels, props maybe? Props and sprites. Oh, it's gonna be force level sprites. Sprites. There you go. Okay. So I'm gonna make a folder. Okay. Bro, what the hell was that? Okay. I'm gonna call this sketches group. Sketches. And then I'm gonna make another folder, and it's gonna be crap. It's gonna be obstacle 1. OBS 01. It's gonna just be the mantle. So let's go ahead and start working on that. Obstacle 1. Ground. Okay. Let's see. 2D foliage. Images. Okay. Silhouette. I spelled that wrong. Foliage silhouette. Okay. Let's look up grasses. Okay. Let's store some props. We're gonna call this generic props. Keep stuff like foliage. So like I really like this duckweed. See, this looks good. This is kind of what I'm going for. I'm gonna save this. My phone keeps going off. I like the duckweed. As long as they stay on separate layers, like I can refer back to them. Shin-chan? No, Shin-chan. Okay, hang on. I gotta put this back over here. Okay. Right. No. No. Yeah, whatever. Rock. Rock silhouettes are going to be helpful in this situation as well. Okay, let's drop this in here. Just grass. Okay, let's grab some rocks. This is what I want. It's going to be a layer group for foliage. And I just take this stuff and move it into there. This is like kind of collecting props essentially. Delete layer. And then we're going to go rocks. Damn it. So it's like, my idea for this is that I'm going to use all of these props to kind of lay out the level. Okay. Rocks. Silhouette. Okay. You brought it on yourself, Bing. There we go. This is great. Okay. See, these can like act as the ground. I can use these things to like kind of make the ground for me. Or like to add some variety to the ground. And then on with the foliage, I can use stuff. I mean, this is good foliage. Like, this is just like really nice. Basic. This feels like it might be too much. That feels like it might be too much. This right here though, like I want this kind of stuff, like very sparse. Let's do weeds, silhouette. Oh, beautiful. Okay, got it. This is what I want. Okay, I have to edit those. Let's go and change this color's back, the background color. Be a bit more able to see kind of what I'm working with. Okay. So let's work on each one of these at a time because I think I've got enough now. To where I can like, okay, hang on. So we'll grab this. Okay, let's just kind of try to clean this up. I grabbed most of it. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, cool. And then what we do is we select, invert, make black, brush in. Select, none. Oh man, those look good. Oh hey, what the hell? Select none. Okay, next. Oh, don't crash. Okay, it's good foliage. Okay, there we go. I don't know if this will be useful actually. Okay, let's grab some tall grass. I mean, I got that. I can't right click on this. God, to go from that to this? You didn't even give me a chance. Okay, there we go. I like that. I feel like that's okay. I wish there was some way to like kind of to take care of the noise. There is. I just have to go over it again. Let's go like this. Can I do something to... Man, there's like so many little red dots. Let's see how it looks in game though. None. Okay, so let's stick with this. Let's go ahead and draw in my obstacle number 1. Ground. Turn my sketches. Okay. Just draw this in, man. Okay, now let's put some rocks. Okay, I don't mind this. Let's get some foliage then. Yeah, let's look at this again. Oh. Okay. Okay, I kind of get it. So like what I have to do is kind of take this stuff into a different into this layer, I guess, right? So what are the? I have to decide what are the two things that I want to use. It's gonna be this and a mixture of this. I really need like some sparse grass. Sparse grass. Sparse grass. No, it's kind of like this, I guess, right? Hang on. Let me just check something real fast. Okay. My big ass forehead. God dang. Alright. Erase. Okay. So I'm going to be using these two layers. So I'll copy this over to here. And I'll copy this over to here as well. Okay. And then I'll move it away. I gotta turn them off from here. Come back over here, move this over here. And then I'll take this. I lock this down. Can I lock this? How do I lock something or anchor it? I don't remember. Oh. Okay. So we take this. Okay, so we can take this and lock it down as well. Okay. Now this can be modified. No, dummy. I want this. Image, layer, image, cropped contents, big canvas to layers. Oops. Image, select, layer. I could have sworn. Fit layer. I thought it was fit layer to canvas. Brother, I could have sworn there was something for this. Merge visible layers, crop slice, LS crop, take canvas to selection. It is not that. That is not it. This, it's like, man, this is so dumb. Like, I do this stuff every day, and the stuff that I crop the contents. This one, layer to image size. I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. Okay. All right, that's fine. Righty, right. Okay, so take this, copy it, paste it, move it. So scale is Shift S, that's fine. M, man. See, what the, what, why? Let me just. I don't understand why it does shit like this. Good lord, dude. Okay. Okay, just fucking relax. Shut the fuck up back there. I literally do not want to select you. I'm done selecting you. Can I, like, prevent you from being selected at all? Jesus Christ. Because what happens is whenever I fucking go to that layer, like every time I click it, it switches the layer, damn it. Oh, so annoying. Look, I'm on the wrong layer again. This, I want this. I don't want anything else. I want to move this. Why does it move everything? This is the most frustrating thing ever, dude. It did it again, brother. Okay, fuck it. Just start over? Let's not do it like this, okay? This is so dumb. Okay. I'm gonna lose my goddamn mind, dude. Ah! It doesn't behave the way I want it to behave, which is really irritating. Paint wouldn't do me like this, but the only problem, see this? It's like not moving the selection. And then the other thing that's really annoying is that it grabs stuff in the back. Like, it acts incorrectly in all of the different ways. Okay, so... I don't want this anymore. Turn Bayonetta off, dude. There, this is... not really much better. Okay. So... move from the active layer. I want... that's better. So now, is there a way for me to move something within its own layer to a different spot? Because as it stands right now, it seems as though when I select something, this is my selection, I have to crop it away, and then I can move it like this. Okay, that's better. Now the only problem is that my layer's gone off. Okay, let's see how big this is. Is there a way to keep it default so that these layers stay on the image size? Okay. No? Okay, good. Scale tool. I want to scale this. Okay. There we go. Looks a little blurry. That's all right. Let's go into Unity real quick because I want this to behave the way Unity behaves. So let's look at my environments. Let's look at something very specific. So this is scale. This is rotate. This is move. Scale, rotate, move. And this is just panning. Scan, rotate, move, panning. Scan, or scale, rotate, move. Scale, rotate, move. Okay. Now this, I want to fix this. Preferences. This will help me a little bit. Right now it's pissing me off. It's making me upset. I'm so upset. Not really, but it's just irritating. Keyboard shortcuts. So scale first. Scale. Now, rotate. And then move. And then pan. Much better. Is this a line? Okay, that works so much better for me, dude, honestly. Okay. Now, let's just layer to image size. No. Layer, crop to contents. There we go. That works a little bit better. Beautiful. Okay, now we're cooking. Oh my gosh, that feels so much better. Okay, now now something's going on with this. It's like enhance, noise reduction, press OK. Didn't work. It's kind of like whenever I am like moving them around and scaling them a whole bunch, it's causing problems. That's okay. Let's just delete this actually. So then we come into this is my layer that I'm using. This is another layer that I'll be using, but it's like I don't want to lose any fidelity. Okay. So it gets a little blurry. think I'm gonna take this one. Okay. Okay. Something I need to do with the ground. I need to flip this image. I feel like there was a flip for sure. Oh, it's in here actually. Here it is. Flip. Flip it. Okay. It's been working for 2 hours. I want to make this a little bit more defined. Okay, something like that. I mean, I'm gonna have to get faster at this, but it is something that I want to do. I like this. I do like this particular sprite. I think it's a good sprite. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna actually call it here. Go get some lunch. Think about this a little bit. I know that the sprites, whenever I import them into here, these are a prompt. So like I don't really want to design here. Maybe make the ground, like get an idea what I want it to look like. Okay. Anyways, that'll be it. I will see you guys in the next one, or I'll probably be back on today. We'll see. This is interesting work. I'm gonna have to learn a lot here. Alright guys, have a good one. Bye!